Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we're going to be talking about a Naturade Total Soy weight loss shake. Yeah, now what this is basically a meal replacement. There was a time where I had kind of slacked off from exercising and staying in shape, and I was kind of eating just about anything, splurging, thinking that it was okay. And it was about a year and a half ago. Yeah, and it went on for probably maybe about 3 months like that. Needless to say, I kind of gained a lot of weight. And so I started getting back into shape, working out and everything, but I needed to lose weight. So what I did was I was turned on to a Naturade Total Soy by a friend of mine who is like a exercise guru. And my friend, helps others lose weight all the time. So he told me about this and I decided to try it, and it works very well. It really does. What I do is I'll have this in the morning for breakfast. I'll take 2 scoops of this, which adds up to about 130 calories, and add it to a smoothie that I make out of strawberries and bananas, and put it in a blender, mixed with some almond milk, and it is pretty good. It's not bad at all. It tastes pretty good. I mean, it's not going to taste like a McDonald's shake or anything like that, but it is a nice little treat in the morning. Yeah. Now, I do that, and it keeps the hunger feelings at bay for about 4 to 5 hours. You're good, and you just don't feel hungry. You feel full and, able to do whatever you need to do throughout the day. And that's good, and that's exactly what you want. And yeah, this Naturade Total Soy weight loss shake, it really, really makes you feel full. It's a definite meal replacement. Yeah, it is 13 grams of protein pretty much. And it's 0 trans fats. It has lactose free, and it's, has all the good stuff in there. And it's gluten free. Everybody's on the whole gluten trip now, and it's really good. It's very healthy for you. And the vanilla flavoring is all the better, and makes it kind of more like a treat than a supplement for food. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's a really, really good way to lose weight. I haven't had to use it in a long time because I'm in shape now again, and I've been working out again, and that's normal for me. But I just kind of slacked off a while back ago and didn't go back. The scoops look like this. Yeah, this is the spoon that comes in the container. Yeah, and I usually use 2 of these to make up my meal replacement. And with all the concoction together, the 2 scoops of this plus all the fruit and the almond milk all together in a glass comes to about 130 calories, so it holds me over. It's really, really good. I like it a lot. I was really lucky to have been informed about this because the weight came off really fast. Now, you can do this. You also need to exercise too. Don't expect us to. I mean, you could just do this and you will lose weight, but you will lose more weight if you do this along with daily exercise. So it'll just take longer if you just use the discipline of just using this weight loss shake and just, that's all. It's just going to take longer to lose the weight, but you definitely still will lose weight. But it's better just to, do this with some exercise too. Even just a little bit of exercise, even just like walking around the block a couple times or something, or, something simple. But as long as you're, doing this and being active, you'll lose the weight. This is a very good supplement. Okay, well, we're talking about the Naturade Total Soy weight loss shake. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, all right, bye-bye.